Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your online courses with Teachable, beginner guide step by step clearly. To protect your online courses with Teachable, start by logging into your Teachable account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the courses section in the dashboard. Select the course you wish to protect. In the course menu, click on Settings. Scroll down to the Course Privacy section. Here, you have several options for restricting access to your course. Choose whether you want to keep your course public, private, or password protected. For a password-protected course, enter a secure password in the provided field. Make sure to communicate this password securely to your enrolled students. Next, look for the drip content feature in the settings. Enabling drip content allows you to release course materials gradually. Set the schedule for when each section of your course will become available. This can help keep students engaged and prevent them from rushing through the material. Now, focus on the affiliate settings if you have affiliate programs. Consider allowing or disallowing affiliates based on your course's protection plan. Next, navigate to the Integrations tab. Here, you can connect your course to additional tools for enhanced security. For instance, you might want to integrate with a third-party tool for enhanced analytics. After adjusting your settings, preview your changes by clicking on Preview. Confirm that you're satisfied with the privacy features you set. Finally, save all changes to ensure your settings are applied. Your online course is now protected according to the specifications you've created. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.